Good morning, friends. Today's topic is TASCO DG Shipping Exit Exam Question and Answer Part 9. Question number 161. The person manning a fire hose under pressure with an all-purpose nozzle attached should dash the position is changed from. It is changed from solid stream to fog. Option A, solid stream to fog. Option B, shut to solid stream. Option C, low velocity to high velocity fog. Option D, fog to shut. The correct answer is option A, solid stream to fog. When you take the hose, it will be the continuous jet mode. You have to change to fog mode. That is called as curtain mode. So you have to keep it in the curtain mode when you're approaching the fire. This will act like a protection. It will prevent you to go on contact with fire. It's like a curtain for you. So option A is the correct answer for question number 161. So many places the answers are wrong or it's not mentioned. So please note this answer. Question number 162. As per mooring equipment guidelines, expand LDBF. The answer is line, design, brake force. Question number 163. If the maximum method is used in gas freeing, the inlet air should have an inlet speed sufficient to force the air jet down to the boat. Option A, 30 to 50 meter per second. Option B, 20 to 30 meter per second. Option C, 30 to 40 meter per second. Option D, 50 to 60 meter per second. The correct answer is option B, 20 to 30 meter per second. This is given in MEPC 25066, Amendment to the International Code for the Construction and Equipment of Ships Carrying Dangerous Chemical in Bulk, IBC code. And also it is mentioned, it's related to general ship survival capability and location of cargo tanks, cargo tank venting system, gas filling arrangement, and so on. So this is as per the resolution MEPC 25066. The answer is option B, 20 meter cube to 30 meter cube per second. 20 to 30 meter per second. That is the correct answer. Okay. Next question is question number 164. Cow system and its operation are found to be in accordance with those specifications will be issued with dash certificate. Option A, IOPP. Option B, IAPP. Option C, SMPEP. Option D, SOPEP. The correct answer is option A, IOPP, International Oil Pollution Prevention Certificate. As per MARPOL Annex 1, the cow system and its operation has been specified and it is issued with the certificate. So this is a MARPOL certificate. So the option A is the correct answer for question number 164. Question number 165. Cargo pump rooms shall be provided with a fixed fire extinguishing system. Which of the following system is not in accordance with the present SOLAS regulation? Option A, fixed gas fire extinguishing system. Option B, fixed powder fire extinguishing system. Option C, water spraying extinguishing system. Option D, high expansion foam extinguishing system. So if you see the other option A, C, D, these are the systems which we are using in cargo pump rooms. Fixed powder fire extinguishing system mostly we use in deck for chemical tankers. So option B is irrelevant to the cargo pump rooms. So the option B is the correct answer for question number 165. Question number 166. The total CO flooding system gas to be discharged within minimum is option A 0.82, option B 0.45, option C 0.9, option D 0.85. The correct answer is option D 0.85. It is mentioned in SOLAS chapter 2 firefighting system, that is 85% of the CO has to be discharged in engine room in first shot. So that's what they are trying to say. So this is the answer is D 0.85. The answer is like something is like the sentence is not completely given. They taken from the SOLAS and they just put it like this. That's why it is looked halfway through. So the correct answer is option D. So next question. Question number 167. The buildup of wet solid on the IG blower impeller blade tips indicates option A baffles, option B deck seal, option C demister, option D none of the above. The correct answer is option C demister. If the demister is not collecting your water and your wet solid dirts in it within the IG scrubber, it is allowed to pass through the IG blower. Then there will be a buildup of wet solid on the IG blower impeller blades. So for question number 167, option C demister is the correct answer. Question number 168. On many modern tankers, which of the following devices used to reduce cargo pump leakage in the pump room bilges? Option A finger rings, option B shaft sleeves, option C clapper seal, option D mechanical seal. The correct answer is option D mechanical seal. This is very generic. As an engineer, we know that all your pump room cargo pumps, we are using mechanical seals, especially cargo pumps. General centrifugal pumps are having mechanical seals, or they have the stuffing box seals, but most of the cargo pumps are mechanical seal, which is fine seal. It will be having great effect of the sealing of the oil to come out of the casing. It's a protection. So option D is the correct answer for question number 168. Question number 169. Dash a ship constructed for the carriage in bulk of any liquid product listed in chapter 17 of IBC code. Option A chemical tanker, option B product tanker, option C crude oil carrier, option D gas tanker. The correct answer is option A chemical tanker. IBC code is mostly talk about chemical tanker ships. Option A is the correct answer for question number 169. Question number 170. When all the tanks inert satisfactorily, the tank should be put under a side glass. Option A 300 to 600 mm water gauge, option B 300 to 400 mm water gauge, option C 500 to 700 mm water gauge, option D 700 to 800 mm water gauge. This is mentioned in your ISGOTT. So the correct answer is option D 700 to 800 mm water gauge. This acts like a seal. So if there is a negative pressure or positive pressure, you can see from the water gauge increasing and falling down. Question number 171. The carbon monoxide may typically be present in concentration of about dash by volume in inert gas corresponding to dash ppm. Option A 1% and 150, option B 0.01% and 100, option C 3% and 250, option D 2% in 300. The correct answer is option B 0.01% by volume in inert gas corresponding to 100 ppm. So this is the correct answer for question number 171. Question number 172. While fighting a fire, in order to utilize two hoses from a single B gate attached to a hydrant, you need on option A at the base of the Y in either direction Option B, at the base of the Y counterclockwise 180°. Option C, on each leg of the Y 90°. Option D, on each leg of the Y 180°. The correct answer is option C, on each leg of Y 90°. We are telling that you have a one fire hydrant, that is have a B gate arrangement of hydrant. You want to connect the two hoses. So this V gate arrangement, you can put a Y type leg and connect 90° to each other to connect the two hoses from the one hydrant. So option C is the correct answer for question number 172. Question number 173. How can we maintain NPSH, net positive suction head? Option B, A, by controlling the liquid flow. Option B, by increasing pump RPM. Option C, by controlling the liquid temperature. Option D, by reducing vapor pressure. The correct answer is option C, by controlling the liquid temperature. So all other options are not possible. So when you are keeping the temperature, that means you are maintaining the viscosity of the fluid. So the viscosity of the fluid will decide the net positive suction head. So if it is more heated, the flow will be good, but if it is too much heated, the density is very light, that can lead to loss of net positive suction head. So temperature has to be in this range. So for question number 173, option C is the correct answer. This is talking about NPSH of centrifugal pump. Question number 174. Which tanker has the simplest piping arrangement? Option A, ore/oil carrier. Option B, product tanker. Option C, crude oil tanker. Option D, gas carrier. As I discussed in the previous videos, crude oil tanker pipeline structure is very simple and it is easy to transfer, because the crude oil is the only oil we are going to take it in the tanker. Intermixing of the oil will not have too much effect on it, and we are not going to carry a different product on the tank. So it is very simple structure is there. So option C is the correct answer for question number 174. Next question, 175. What is the minimal information to be available at the central control station? Option A, fire detection panel. Option B, fire door status. Option C, total flooding system status. Option D, none of the above. The correct answer is option A, fire detection panel. So fire detection panel is the one which gives the minimum requirement is present in the central control station, will give the indication of the fire detection, where the fire it is, which zone it is, everything will be explained in it. So option A is the correct answer for question number 175. Question number 176. What is the advantage of having a steam turbine driven inert gas from gas fan on a tanker fitted with an auxiliary? Option A, steam driven turbine fan does not easily trip when there is a malfunction on the inert gas plant. Option B, a steam turbine fan is less costly to maintain and more easy to operate. Option C, a steam turbine driven fan create initial load on the boiler, facilitating the inert gas protection. Option D, a steam turbine fan can give higher speed. The correct answer is option C, a steam turbine driven fan can create initial load on the boiler, facilitating the inert gas protection. So this is what they are telling is IG blower is operated by the steam turbine. The steam is produced by the boiler. So if you want to run the IG blower, the initial load you are getting is the steam which is from the boiler. So the boiler will get some initial load to drive the IG blower. So that will help to produce the IG gas. That's what they are trying to explain. So for question number 176, option C is the correct answer. Question number 177. What is the maximum allowable suction head for fire pump? Option A, 3 meter. option B 1.5 meter, option C 9 meter, option D 4.5 meter. The correct answer is option D 4.5 meter. This is mentioned in FSS code. Question number 1788. The frequency of pressure testing assured of SCBA, self-contained breathing apparatus, should as a minimum by every option A 10 years, option B 6 years, option C 5 years, option D 15 years. So SCBA set normally sent for sure for every dry dock, that is every 5 years. So option C is the correct answer for question number 178. Question number 179. What is the use of IGS interlock switch in inert gas system? Option A, to avoid running inert gas when oxygen content increases to 8% by volume. Option B, for using inert gas in gas-free mode. Option C, if the tank pressure in IGS system drops to 100 mm of water gauge. Option D, atmosphere valve will get fully open if oxygen content increases to 8%. The correct answer for question number 179 is option D. The atmosphere valve will get fully open if the oxygen content increases to 8%. So this interlock, so to prevent the IGS to get tripped at oxygen content is more than 8%. So this is given, interlock switch is given for it. So question number, sorry friends, question number 179 is wrong. This is as per the guidelines. So question number 179, option B is the correct answer, because we do not want IGS system to be get tripped when your oxygen content is more than 8%. When you are gas filling the tank, most of the oil tankers, we use IG blower. We take air from the external atmosphere, from the engine room or from the deck. We take the air and through the IG blower put it in the tank through the deck seal and all other non-return valves arrangement. So in order to prevent this IG scrubber blower get tripped, so we want to keep the system running, we have the switch, that is an interlock switch, or you can say the bypass switch. So option B is the correct answer for question number 179. Please correct option B is the correct answer, not option D. Question number 180. Fire drill includes option A, operating seawater system, option B, location of different fire extinguisher, option C, how to operate them, option D, both B and C. So for question number 180, option D is the correct answer, because we cannot operate the seawater system here. At the emergency condition only we will operate. So how to operate only will be explained. So, and then the different fire extinguisher, whatever fire extinguisher, locations, all other details we will discuss. It's like the location of the firefighting, what action to be done, how to be done, who to be do what job, that all explain. Nothing we will operate the system. So option B and C is the correct answer for question number 180. Okay friends, if you like my video, please like, and if you have any doubts, you can put it in comment box, and if you want to see more video related to marine, you can subscribe my channel. Thank you.